Good morning and welcome to this yoga session. I'm Lina. I'm going to guide you through this morning's class towards clarity and energy for your day. So let's get started. So let's just begin by taking a few deep breaths in and just breathing out, feeling your shoulders dropping. Another nice deep breath in. And as you breathe out, just feeling your whole body just relaxing and waking up. Breathing in and breathe out. And let's start off with some neck rolls, just really rotating them, waking up our body this morning. Deep breaths in as you come up, and as your shoulders come down, breathing out, just really rotating them, taking your time. And then let's go over to the other side. Breathing in as your shoulders come up and breathing out as they come down. Let's do some neck rolls now. So breathing in as your head comes forward and breathing out as your head comes back. Take your time. Nice deep breaths. And then when you come to the center, let's go over to the other side. It's a wonderful way to just wake up in the morning and waking up the body. And then coming to the center, coming onto tabletop, coming onto all fours. And then as you breathe in, you're looking up. And as you breathe out, you're looking down. Breathing in as you look up. Breathing in as you look down. Breathing in as you look up. Breathing out as you come down. And then you can do some moving the back from side to side. Just feeling the hips are opening up, waking up the back. And then you might want to do some rotations, really just waking up the hips. Breathing in as you come forward and breathing out as you come back. And the next time you come to the center, let's go over to the other side. So let's do one more circle. And then come seated onto the mat. Bringing one leg out and bending the other leg. And we're going to just stretch over to one side. So you're going to stretch up, breathing in, pushing your tailbone down, and then just coming over to one side. You can even bring your hand above like this. Or if that's too much, just resting it here or even on your knee. Just feeling a wonderful stretch on the side of your body. You might want to ease off if it's too much, or you might want to come down. Now, while you're in this pose, think about a word for your day. How would you like your day to go? Because whatever we focus on is where our energy goes. So why not focus on purpose, on where and what you would like your day to turn out to be? So just think of a word that you would like for yourself. And breathe deeply. One more deep breath in. And as you breathe out, coming up slowly, and let's do the other side. Again, breathing in, stretching up, pushing your tailbone down, and you're just coming over to the side. You might even just be here. That's great. You're doing really, really well. Just allowing to feel a stretch on the side of your body. You're just waking up your body gently and just breathe. Just going to be here for a few breaths. You might want to go a bit deeper, or you might want to ease off. Do what feels comfortable to you. And then come up slowly. Then we're going to come lying down on our bellies. And you can do this one where you're just looking in front and you're opening up your throat and your heart here. Feeling a stretch on the back of your spine as well. And then if you want to go a bit further, you can actually come up onto your arms, bringing your throat back. Or you can come back into this pose here. Just breathe. And then coming up slowly and just coming back. You can have your legs wide or together. You're just going to come back. Arms in front and just pushing your hips back. Now you can keep your arms in front or you can take them behind. And just resting here, thinking about your word, that one word of how you would like your day to go. And just breathing deeply. We're here for a little bit. Just breathing. Deep breathing allows you to oxygenate your body. Oxygen is free and our bodies need oxygen, so why not breathe in a way that's going to work for our bodies, nourishing our organs, our brain, our skeleton, our muscles, our skin. So breathe. Allow your breath to flow to your belly. And then on your next exhale, just coming up slowly. Come seated at the top of your mat. Thank you for joining me in this morning practice. I invite you to share your chosen word in the comments and subscribe. Share with anybody who you think might benefit from this class. And until next time, namaste.